I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie from gag, full guide. Begin by gathering edible gag components, choosing a safe base, and preheating the oven to 350 degrees F. Mix textures carefully, balancing sweetness and surprise elements, and blind taste test with friends before serving. Keep an eye on bake time to avoid overcooking the gag filling, and label the dish clearly so guests know what to expect. Have fun. Start by listing ingredients you trust and one playful surprise element to include in the filling. Measure each component carefully so textures and sweetness stay balanced, and the gag remains lighthearted. Combine creamy and crunchy elements to mask unusual additions while preserving edible safety. Test a small sample before committing to a full pie and adjust seasoning so the final product reads more like a clever twist than an unpleasant shock. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle fits in tight oven mitts and keeps water handy during long bakes, so you stay refreshed between tastings. I find it handy when juggling trays and timers, and it cleans easily after messy experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake with attention to timing and temperature so the gag element integrates smoothly into the pie without ruining texture. Watch for browning and test the center with a gentle jiggle to ensure fillings are set. Allow the pie to cool enough that slices maintain shape and the gag surprise stays contained. Serve small portions and explain any dietary notes to guests, making the reveal playful rather than uncomfortable for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.